You see what I did?
That's not how you spell penis.
That's how your mum spells penis.
What?
Nah, I'm kidding. Your mum's lovely.
Watch out, man.
Dear flatmates, stop eating my food, arseholes. Victoria. P.S. Clean out your manky old noodles.
Oh, for God's sakes, who ate my bloody sandwich?
Fridge bandit strikes again.
And Tommy, your noodles are still in here.
What's that? Oh no, that's not mine.
Well, I don't care whose they are. I bet there's something living in there.
Harpo, it's your turn with the fridge, mate.
No. So hungry. Hey, who brought the, chicken? Anyone? Eating it? That is fucking rank, man! Still gonna eat it, but...
Beer, and we are ready to party.
Hey Vicky, you coming out tonight?
Not with you losers.
You mean it.
Okay, who took my wine?
Not me.
Come on, guys.
Harpo, come on, mate.
Coming! Gonna get my dick wet tonight!
Dude, it's my sister's birthday.
Dick wet! Oh, lovely. Sergeant! I can't go on! Sergeant!
What? Oh. Look, just don't get anything on the couch, okay? But don't actually get anything on the couch. So left.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So what have you done now?
Left. No right. Yeah.
You need another beer?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Alright, I got it. Papa! Freezing! Was that it? Like, was that all of them?
I guess. I mean, there's that. But I guess.
Anything could be back there.
You're gonna have to go in there.
What? Oh. Really?
You good there, buddy?
Harper?
Tom!
Harper? Harper, get me out of here now! Harper!
Tommy!
Get me out of here!
Tommy!
Get me out! Okay, no, this is gotta go. We're gonna get rid of this thing.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow's good.
Tomorrow's
good.
Tomorrow.
We can do tomorrow.
Sleep alright, mate?
What? No, it was way too hot last night.
I slept in Victoria's room. She got that queen size?
Yeah.
Slept like a baby.
What happened with Victoria's body?
Put her in the fridge.
Look at you, eh? Finally cleaning up after yourself.
Yeah, I think she would have wanted it that way. Oh shit, we're gonna need a new fridge.
Yeah, fuck.
Oh, hey, sweet, a fridge. Looks like it can go.
All right, we'll go get the van.
Yeah, be good for the flat.